Welcome to my YouTube channel. On today's video, we're going to show you how to add a user code to this Honeywell deadbolt. The instructions are on page 13. You can read those or just follow my instructions. Very simple. First thing you do is you put in the initial programming code, which is defaulted to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then you hit the unlock button. Now we're ready to put in a new code. What you do is you hit the 1 and unlock. Now we're going to find the ID code. We're going to use number 4 for this one, 04. Then you hit the unlock. This can take up to 50 IDs. So we're going to use number 4 for this one. So I'm going to choose the number 6806. Then you hit the unlock button. Then repeat it again, 6806. Hit the unlock button, and there you go. That's how you program the lock. Now let's test this out. Hit the lock, deadbolt comes out. Now let's test it out with that code we just put in, 6806. There you go. That's how you program a Honeywell deadbolt. Very simple. Thank you for watching my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe and like.